Everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Thursday, everybody. It is a rainy Thursday afternoon here, and I'm so glad to share this video with you guys. First, I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all those who come back and support this channel and provide feedback and comments. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So today, guys, I want to share a couple of things with you. I want to share my couple of plants I have. I like to talk about those. And then I have a bag of the day, which it's a bag that actually I'm surprised that it's still available on coachoutlet.com. So it's a bag that I purchased last year, and I thought I was going to wear it during the fall, but I wind up start wearing it in the spring. So let's get into this video. First, I'm going to talk about just two plants today. And the first plant is the calathea plant. It is up in the air which kind of calathea it is. It does do like the praying hand thing at the, in the evening time. So right now it's, it's spread out. So this evening the leaves are gonna stand up and kind of like in a praying motion. That's why they call it. And it's really dry, and it has a lot of roots growing at the bottom. So it's time for me to repot this plant, and I'm excited about doing that today since it's raining. So I can't play with my plants outside, so I'm gonna play with my plants on the inside. And I definitely need to get this in a new pot. But I'm not going to water it until I repot it. Okay, so the second one is my dumb cane plant, and this is my third dumb cane plant. Now the first one, it was thriving. Last year I bought it. It was doing well, and then the winter came, and since I'm a new plant mom, I didn't know exactly what to do with it. But it's supposed to be an all year round plant. It's supposed to be one of those easy plants to take care of, but yet I keep killing it. So I'm going to try again with this new baby. I'm going to have to repot her as well. And there's an interesting fact about this plant. It's called dumb cane because the sap in it, if it splashed on you in your mouth, you could go, numb for a few days, they say. So that's why they call this a dumb cane. And if you see in the back, I used to have one that was a little bit older and it was flourishing. I got overzealous, put it outside like mid-spring, and it got really cold and windy, and it just damaged my leaves. I had to cut them off, and I was thinking I was saving it, and it's still kind of like doing something. So I'm still working with that one back there, but I'm going to repot this one. All right, guys, so let's get into the eye candy. Oh my God, I love this tote bag. It is the Coach Dempsey Tote, and it is actually called Dempsey Tote in Signature Jacquard with Stripe and Coach Patch. It is still available on the Coach outlet. I was so surprised to see that it was still available. It's $1.99 right now. The measurements on this bag is 12 inches long, 12 3/4 inches high, and 6 inches deep. And it is fabric. This part is fabric. The stripe is fabric. The patch is leather, of course. You see the hand tag that says Coach on there. It's in the color pollen. And then you have this nice ginger, like, I don't know if that's ginger or rust, but that's a nice leather at the bottom of the bag. So I really enjoy that part because even though this is a fabric bag, it's going to protect the tote bag with this leather bottom. And then it's also trimmed in this nice like oxblood color in the leather. It has the rivets here to hold the reinforce the straps. And then if you look on the inside of this bag, it has a reinforcement with the leather around the perimeter of this bag. It is very well made and very sturdy. I am so happy that I picked this tote up. Even though it's fabric, you could tell it is very good quality. The strap drop is 10 inches. You can't, it doesn't pass the arm test, but it's a quick thread. It's a great carry. I carry this bag in the grocery store, in other stores. I've carried it by the handle, no problem. From time to time, I put it on my shoulder. It's just an all-around great tote. And it's not too large. It's like a medium large tote. I'm really enjoying this bag and thought that I would wear it more so in the fall. But I pulled it out in the spring and I haven't put it back since I pulled this out. I've been going in and out of this bag ever since I pulled it out. And so this is an all year around bag. Let me just put that out there. I've been wearing this now in the summertime with certain items. I wore it yesterday with a blue jean jacket, was able to wear it on my arm, had some joggers on. It was just a casual day, and I carried this tote. I'm very happy about this. I'm gonna go talk about what's on the inside of this bag. So yesterday I went to Ashley Stewart, and hopefully we can get to that. What's in that bag? And I also have some Nutter Butter cookie wrapper that I ate yesterday. And I even had like a small carry-out container. It's one of those half small carry-out containers I actually put on the top of the Ashley Stewart bag. So this bag, from time to time can be stuffed if you need it. You don't always stuff it, but just every once in a while when you're carrying that extra stuff, when you're going on your errands throughout the day, you can just throw stuff on top of here. And what keeps it organized is my organizer. It fits perfectly on the inside with even a little room to spare on the sides. And this is how it fits inside the bag. So I'm able to carry everything I need. And even on the side, I could still carry 2 items on here. I just haven't put anything on the side. So I have my eyeglass case. I don't think I could put this here. It probably would stick out a little too much. It fits, but it's not perfect. I like it in there. All right, so I have the spray, sanitizer. This also has a zipper compartment that goes across this bag for receipts if you like to use that for receipts. I have my journal, my calendar, my emergency snack thing. I have my little cosmetic case. And on this side, I have my pepper spray, my earbuds, lotion, and card case. And then this also closes with the organizer in it. And even if I had a little something extra on the top, I could close this. Very strong magnet. Now, I don't have to worry too much with security with this bag because I've carried this bag as a passenger. I've carried this purse as a driver. And always, everything is always accessible to me. Sometimes I just throw my phone down in there. You know how we do sometimes. And the favorite part of this is the zippers. The zipper compartments on each side of this bag. Now, I love it because the zipper compartment is up far enough for you to go in and out. You don't have to dig deep into the bag. And it's just enough pocket. I have like a ponytail holder, a mask, mirror. I threw some probiotics in here yesterday. That's the other part of it. That's garbage. My lip gloss I got from Revlon. Really nice. It's called Rosy Future. It's their new lip gloss line. Thinking about getting another one. Have some dental hygiene products. Okay, so that was the zipper pocket on there. That's I call my miscellaneous pocket. Just kind of like put stuff in there and zip it up. I love the zip. It zips so easily. On this side, guys, this is my wallet. I'm using this as a wallet. I have cash in here. I have some receipts in here, and I have my card wallet in here that I haven't let go of. I've been really carrying this card wallet, and it has coins in here as well. The only thing with this is that sometimes the coins come out. Just every blue moon you have a couple of coins come out. So I might change to maybe carrying some the insurance cards on the inside of here, and then carry a separate coin case. Just when I carry that. So guys, that is the very favorite part of this bag that I love. I really love this bag, this tote bag. I love how the organizer fits perfectly on the inside of it. Okay, so let's get to what is in my Ashley Stewart bag that I got yesterday. And it is a nice summer sweater tank dress. It's so cute. It is a midi length. It's not maxi. And it is slim fitting, so I upped it on the size. And I love the colors in this tank because I have sandals to match this. And I know it's a sweater knit. And I'm thinking that it's not really a heavy sweater knit. And I'm going to still wear this. I probably will wear this on the holiday coming up. Okay, so what else did I get? I got some jewelry pieces from Ashley Stewart. They always have like a sale, buy one get one 50% off. And every once in a while, I will peruse the Ashley Stewart jewelry because you find some gems that I even still have from my past. You know, they kind of last pretty long. And so you have these earrings, and they're not heavy. They look like they're heavy, and they're not, because I wouldn't even buy them if they were heavy. So this is really nice and trendy. Then you have the colorful summer earrings. They're so cute. And then these, oh, they're so pretty. Let's see. It is, and they're light. They're very lightweight. So these are going to be really nice this summer. And then for last but not least, these are kind of wonky. I got to fix that. So you have this set, very nice. There's 3 sets of earrings here on one. Really nice. So they have a black and silver set combo that they have as well. I just wanted something more neutral. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have some more videos coming for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, bye.